What are you doing? What are they doing? What are you doing?
We are running.
What are you doing?
We are walking.
What are you doing?
I am studying my lessons.
What are you doing?
I am watching TV.
What are you doing?
I am playing guitar.
What are you doing?
I am swimming.
What are you doing?
I play tennis.
What are you doing?
We are eating.
What are you doing?
I ride a horse.
What are you doing?
I cook food.
What are you doing?
I play football.
What are you doing?
I'm climbing the mountain.
What are you doing?
I dive underwater.
What are you doing?
I am catching fish.